Hi guys, my name is Victoria and I'm glad to see you in Ventus Tutorials. Today I help you figure out how to create Linux virtual machine in Ventus Cloud. In few minutes you will see that it is rather easy and quickly. So let's start and enjoy. For creating a new instance you need to do the following. On the main navigation panel, go to Cloud, choose Instances and click the plus button from at the bottom right of the screen. On the following page fill in the next fields. Instance name, for our example let it be test1. Select a boot source, today I prefer an image of Ubuntu server, and also here we can select storage type and provide necessary disk size. In my case let it be default type, the size 10, and also I make a mark for auto-deleting volume when instance is terminated. Next we need to select configuration. Configurations or flavors hold information about the instance memory, disk space and the number of virtual CPUs that will be available. I don't need a large instance, so I choose VC1. After configurations, we will have a network selection. I choose public, and then next two fields are optional. You need to fill in only one of them, and then the other one you can leave not selected. So one of these fields is selecting SSH key. You can add your own key which was previously added, or generate a new one to use the button Add a new key, assign a name and click the button Generate key. If you need a more detailed explanation of the step, you can find it in the video tutorial or in core task about SSH keys. As for me, I fill in this field and choose my own previously added key Test. But if you prefer to leave this field non-selected, you need to come up with a root password. The password should be at least 8 characters long and should contain at least one digit, letter or symbol. So, as all fields are filled in, let's hit Create Instance, wait a few minutes and the new instance will be created.